Welcome to the Crypto Nest. So let's talk about Pepe. Someone asked me, how can you make money when price goes down? Okay, so you have two concepts, right? You have we call it long or spot when let's say you buy the price here. So you buy the Pepe, you expect the price goes higher, and then you sell it when it's higher. So price paid versus price sold. No, you're in positive, you're making gains, you're happy. Now, how can you make money when price goes down? All right, so you are kind of that's why a lot of time you need to have a collateral or a margin trade. You are selling something, let's say here. Okay, so let's say you did analysis and we did had 5 waves up, and then you know that when there is 5 waves up, there is always a wave down, actually 3 wave down. So maybe this was the A, B, and C for the wave A. So you know that here, and plus we reached the Fibonacci retracement for that swing. So, you know, it's not the time to do it here, right? So time also, it's key. So you need to know when more likely price is going to go lower. Here you don't know when wave 5 is going to go lower. Here you know that price it's going to reach a certain level, and after that is going to react more likely. And then now you have this wave B. Wave B always, it's always higher. And if we take the Fibonacci retracement, so I'm going to take that one to here. A lot of times it reached the 0.6, sometimes go higher. I think this time did he went 1 to 1, maybe a little bit less. Yeah, maybe a little bit less. But you know that when you reach here, unless it's going to make a overshooting wave B, soon it should be time for this coin to reverse. Because now I'm saying that because we were there like yesterday, okay? Okay, so now let me take out this. So now we know that well, this correction doesn't look done, okay? Even though we reached this ideal retracement, but we did it like it's very messy. So we're expecting a wave B, higher price, and now this should be the wave C, and it's going to go for sure lower than the wave B. So this potentially it's time where you wanna short. Short, what does it mean? You are using credit or you're using your collateral to sell some Pepe to someone. So you're going to be minus, I don't know, 1,000 Pepe. And you are going to buy back cheaper when you think is going to reach his ideal retracement. You're going to buy them, so you sell them higher, so you have minus X position of Pepe, and price continue to go down, and then after that when you close your position, you're going to buy back your Pepe. Let's say if you sold 1,000 Pepe here, you're going to buy back 1,000 Pepe here. And so because you sold them higher and you bought them cheaper, then you're in profit. So now, yeah, I know it's always well, it's as risky as going high, and actually it's even less risky because when you're shorting, worst case scenario, it can go to 0, right? I mean, to make profit, you know how much maximum you can make, but it's very risky if you don't put a sell stop limit, because sky is the limit. So if you're shorting, always put a sell stop limit. So let's say, come on. Okay, so if I'm selling, if I'm start to shorting here, I'm going to put a sell stop limit here, so that if price doesn't go the direction I want and actually continue to go higher, I get triggered out and I'm out of this shorting position, so my capital is safe, because it can go way higher. There is no limit. It can go to 1 million, you know, impossible to 1 million Pepe, but you know, still mathematically possible. Okay, so when you're shorting, always sell stop limit. Actually, when you're long, also always sell stop limit, because you know, what's the point if you find price should reverse here, so you buy some Pepe and you don't put a sell stop limit and it goes down and you lose all your money. If you buy something at one certain point, is because you're expecting price to reverse, right, the trend and go opposite direction. So always secure your investment by putting a sell stop limit. Either you go up or down, because the best defense is the attack. No, it's not like that. It's best attack is defense, because when they scored you, you're losing by 1. If you're strong in defense, you're still even and you have a chance to make a goal. Alright, so I think this is pretty much all for explaining how you can make money by when a price goes down. Now if I, well, since we are here, we can see now that we are doing this downtrend channeling, because I kind of did it before. Okay, so if I copy this channel, we're doing something like that. So I think yesterday, was it here that I did a video, maybe a little bit. So you know, someone that he wanted really to short, he would have start shorting here and leave some room. Maybe you would have put a sell stop limit, because you know, things can also break out momentarily, a fake breakout, and then you get triggered out. So maybe you put your sell stop limit here, so you start shorting here near the trend line, and after that you can keep going. Now if you want to be very aggressive, you can sell when it touch the trend, or you maybe you know, you can sell whenever you want after that. And the other technique would be that you would always, like, let's say now price went down, it went up again, almost touched the trend, and then it really went down, right? So you want to keep or save your investment, so you're going to move lower your sell stop limit. And well, actually I say sell stop limit, but it's to close your position. And so you're going to lower it, and as long as the price goes lower, you keep you know, lowering your yeah, your sell stop limit. I prefer to say that term. So until eventually, if price goes higher and break out from this trend and really start to skyrocket, you get your first of all, you don't need to be there 24/7. You secure your profits when the price is going to reverse, and because it's going to happen, because this is a downtrend, this is like a bear flag, right? Because it's going down, so price will more likely at you know, 90% break out and make another impulsive movement to the upside. Now, is it going to go skyrocket or just make a small one and continue to go down? Also possible. We don't know. Maybe this it was a 5-wave up and 3-wave down up to now. Like, can I say that this is A, B, C, or even yeah, no, it's very messy. Or maybe this is just A, B, and we're going to do a C, or this is a 1, 2, and we're going to make a 3, a 4, a 5, and then the trend is down. Who knows? So it's too short to know the structure, because this is a very new coin. Alright, so this is pretty much all for Pepe. As you can see now, the RSI we're getting almost oversold, or yeah, so also that could indicate us that price should reverse. Oh my god, here yeah, it doesn't work. Okay, pretty much all for Pepe. Alright, if you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day.